Hi everyone, my name is P. Bhanutej from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. I am from Data Science Department A section. My roll number is 17. Python. What is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages programming modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Often, programmers fall in love with Python because of increased productivity it provides. Since there is no compilation step, the test edit debug cycle is incredibly fast. Debugging Python programs is easy. A bug or bad input will never cause a segmentation fault. Instead, when the interpreter discovers an error, it raises an exception. When the program doesn't catch the exception, the interpreter prints a stack trace. A source level debugger allows inspection of local and global variables, evaluation of arbitrary expressions, setting breakpoints, stepping through the code a line at a time, and so on. The debugger is written in Python itself, testifying to Python introspective power. On the other hand, often the quickset way to debug a program is to add a few print statements to the source. The fast edit test debug cycle makes this simple approach very effective. Web scraping with Python. Web scraping. There are many applications of web scraping. Company information, social media, prints websites, REST feeds, news resources, HTML websites, search engines, schema, charts, tables and graphs, etc. Web scraping with Python. Collecting more data from the modern web is called web scraping with Python. What is web scraping? Web scraping is a compounding process used in collecting data from multiple websites. It is generally used by businesses that require a vast amount of information to help them make informed business decisions. The process uses intelligent automation and scraping tool to extract billions of data from several sources at once regularly. The data are collected in an unstructured format such as HTML and then placed into a structured format like JSON before analyzed and put to use. And there are several ways the collected data can be used, including for price monitoring, for development and dynamic pricing strategy, the brand monitoring and the production, for market research, for review and price monitoring, and so on. Web pages are converted by web scraping into structured data. Why is web scraping used? Web scraping is used to collect large information from websites. But why does someone have to collect such large data websites? To know about this, let's look at the applications of web scraping. Applications of web scraping. Price comparison. Services such as PriceHub use web scraping to collect data from online shopping websites and use it to compare with the prices of products. Email address gathering. Many companies that use email as a medium for marketing use web scraping to collect email ID and then send blank emails. Social media scraping. Web scraping is used to collect data from social media websites such as Twitter to find out what's trending. Research and development. Web scraping is used to collect a large set of data, statistics, general information, temperature, etc. from websites. which are analyzed and used to carry out surveys or for R&D, research and development. Job listings. Details regarding job openings, interviews are collected from different websites and then listed in one place, so that is easily accessible to the user. These are the applications of web scraping. Web scraping applications is also used in data journalism, e-commerce, data science, job boards, meeting and skills, finance. Libraries used for web scraping. As we know, Python is a various applications and there are different libraries for different purposes. We will be using the following libraries. Selenium. Selenium is a web testing library. It is used to automate web browser activities. Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is a Python package for parsing HTML and XML documents. It creates parse trees that is helpful to extract the data easily. Pandas. Pandas is a library used for data manipulation and analysis. It used to extract the data and store in the desired format. Main benefits of web scraping: high performance, simply syntax, easy for coding, flexibility, reusability. High performance. Python tools such as Beautiful Soup and Scrapy can be easily used to develop high performing web scrapers. These scrapers can be very efficient, fast and easy to debug. Simple syntax. Another benefit of using Python tools for web scraping is that all Python syntaxes are simple, clear and easy to read, meaning anyone, including beginners, can easily use them to write scraping scripts. Easy of coding. There is reason why Python is most popular language in the world, and that is because it is the easiest to write. This applies to writing scraping scripts as well. Scraping scripts written in Python are generally easy and quick to write, returning only a few lines of code. Flexibility. Since Python is an all-rounded language, its tools can build a very flexible web scraper that does more than just extract data. Python web scraping can support extra data extraction, parsing and importation, and even visualization, something that would be difficult with other programming languages. Reusability. Python web scraping codes are written and executed only once. After that, the scraper functions automatically, collecting an enormous amount of data every day. This takes a lot of work out of web scraping as well as saves time and energy. How do you scrap data from a website? When you run a code for web scraping, a request is sent to the URL that you have mentioned as a response to the request. The server sends the data and allows you to read the HTML or XML page. The code then praises the HTML or XML page, finds the data and extracts it. To extract data using web scraping with Python, you need to follow these basic steps. Find the URL that you want to scrap. Inspecting the page. Find the data you want to extract. Write the code, run the code and extract the data. Store the data in the required format. Uses. Web scraping typically extracts large amount of data from websites for a variety of uses such as price monitoring, enriching machine learning models, financial data aggregation, monitoring consumer sentiment, news taking, etc. Web scraping pros and cons. Web scraping is benefit: fast and efficient data extraction at scale, low cost and flexible, reliable and robust performance, low maintenance cost, delivers structured data. These are the pros of the web scraping, that is the uses, that is the benefits also. Web scraping has a lean learning curve, needs perpetual maintenance, data extraction is in data analysis. Scrappers can get blocked. These are the cons of the web scraping. That is disadvantages, etc. Thank you.